Hello everyone, my name is Hassan Abdullahi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to solve a problem that we often run into. When we put the plants in our scene, we always see that the three of the plants across the other wall, and some of them like this, look like we cut that three of that plants, and now we're going to solve this issue. Now, first of all, I want to select these plants and another wall and go to the isolate scene, and from the top view, I want to go to the space wraps icons and go to change the forces tab to the geometric deformable, and now I want to create a F50 box like this. Increase that height of parameters. Okay, go to the perspective and now go to the modifier tab and increase the height. I want to use the front of view. Okay, it's okay, and now just move that, get a little distance from the wall, increase the parameter of the width and length. Okay, a little decrease that. Now it's perfect. Now I want to go to the set number of points bottom and click off this and change the number length to the 10 and 4 to the 2 and another 2 number, and go to the OK button like this. And now go to the top view and we want to use that the control point and select of this point, get the closer to another point like this, and again select the both of them to another, and now we want to rescale that to get closer, and now again go to the another, and again it's okay. And now I want to move it here and now here. Okay, now I want to select these plants and go to the pin to space wraps and select and click drag to this point and click, and now we can see that when you move forward the near of this wall, we can solve the problem right now, and you can just rotate it's amazing. Now go to the scene, I hope you like it, and if you like this video, just leave a comment and like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope solve your problem, and have a nice day. Stay tuned.